Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G31. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and go to Security. Enter Screen Lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: None, Swipe, Pattern, PIN and Password. Firstly, let's select None. Now Swipe, PIN, Password, and at the end Pattern. Now we can go to Fingerprint and our fingerprint sensor is right here on this button. Simply tap but don't press, release and do it again. Now we can unlock the phone using our fingerprint. And the last way to unlock the phone is face unlock. So let's set it. And scan your face in this area. Okay, my face is already scanned, sorry, so let's use it to unlock the phone. And as you can see, it happened automatically. And that's all for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.